Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a credit or debit card from your TikTok account. So let's say you want to remove an old or expired credit and debit card that you use for coin purchases, subscriptions, or promotions on TikTok account. This is how you can do it exactly. So I've already on the TikTok applications. You can just go head to your profiles. And once you're in the profile, you can just click on the three dots icon at the top and go to the settings and privacy options. Here, find the payment methods menu. You can go to the orders menu first under the account section. Now in here from the list, you can just swipe until you see payment method. Click on that. So from the list, you'll see your card or debit card. And if you want to remove it, you can just click on it. And then here at the very bottom, there will be this option, delete payment method. So tap on that option and click on remove again to confirm. And after that, your card will be deleted. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.